So, the iPhone SE 4 is gearing up to kick off mass production in December, with a launch expected in the spring of 2025, likely around March. This upcoming budget-friendly model is shaping up to be even better than we originally thought. It's going to sport a design that resembles the iPhone 14, but will come in at a price below $500, making it super appealing for a lot of folks out there. The December production start means we might actually see this device hit the shelves sooner than expected. According to the well-known industry analyst Ross Young, those sleek OLED panels that Apple needs for the SE 4 are set to start shipping in November. So we can look forward to an official release early next year. Now let's talk about what's really changing with the SE 4 compared to its predecessor. One of the standout upgrades is the switch from the old LCD screen to a vibrant OLED display, which is going to make everything look so much more stunning. Plus, Apple's introducing a notch design that replaces the traditional screen setup, and we're saying goodbye to Touch ID in favor of Face ID, which includes 3D facial recognition for an extra layer of security and a smoother user experience. Analyst Ming Chi Kuo mentioned that Apple suppliers are gearing up to start production next month, so that means the design and development phases are officially locked in. The SE 4 is expected to rock a 6.1-inch display, which is a significant jump from the 4.7-inch screen we've got with the SE 3. This makes it the largest iPhone SE 4 model we've seen so far. While the overall look will echo the iPhone 14, the SE 4 will have just one rear camera, making it a single-camera version of its pre-series sibling. And by the way, I've started a Telegram channel where you can get exclusive content and early updates. Check out the link in the description. Now, about the shift from Touch ID to Face ID. This is a big deal. Face ID was first rolled out with the iPhone X and was usually reserved for Apple's high-end models. Bringing this cutting-edge facial recognition tech to a budget device like the SE 4 is a game-changer for those of us watching our wallets. It means you get access to premium features without breaking the bank, giving you both enhanced security and convenience. I know many SE 4 fans appreciate the compact design and Touch ID, but this switch to Face ID really modernizes the experience. So, what do you think? Are you Team Touch ID or Team Face ID? Let us know in the comments below. In addition to the screen and design upgrades, the SE 4 is expected to pack a solid 8 gigs of RAM, which is right in line with the iPhone 16 series. This RAM boost is super important for supporting Apple's intelligence features, which will be a key selling point of the new device. There's still some buzz about whether the SE 4 will run on the A18 chip or the A17 Pro, but it's likely we'll see it powered by the A17 Pro, similar to the iPad Mini 7. Given how long it takes between SE 4 model launches, it totally makes sense for Apple to load this one up with the latest hardware to keep it future-proof. With that extra RAM and a powerful new processor, the iPhone SE 4 is set to really elevate Apple's intelligence capabilities. It's going to be the most budget-friendly option that can fully support the standout features of iOS 18. With production kicking off in December, we're on track for that March launch, fitting perfectly with Apple's usual product release timeline. Kuo estimates that Apple plans to ship around 8.6 million units of the SE 4 in the first quarter of next year. So, what are your thoughts on all these developments? Are you looking forward to the iPhone SE 4? Let's chat about it in the comments below. Can't wait to hear what you all think. Until next time, I'll catch you in the next video.